My name is Adi Sumarna. I'm studying in University CBSU. I course the train. What do I think about race car driving? Because I like automotive and we just listener to my expansion assisted by my sister named Rizkiana Putri. Sorry if the sound of the video is not big, but no, and make sure the volume is turned up. Thank you.
What do you think about drifting?
In my opinion, drifting is a wheel-level driving technique in which the driver tries to keep his car on incline and slide as long as possible. This one technique has become a car racing sport as well, where many other automotive sports only rely on maximum acceleration for speed as a parameter of achievement and victory. It is different with different drifting, which priorities the element of beauty. Broad activities in drifting have a aesthetic value which is centrally not easy to do properly. The car that is us cannot be arbitrary, so don't be surprised if the drifting activity that we often see on public roads is actually classified as illegal because the car does not necessarily meet the actual standardization of the sport of drifting. Meet the actual standardization of the sport of drifting.
Who turns in drifting?
The driving technique is done by letting the rear tire slip with a leg forward than the front tire. This usually happens when the car is driven at high speed. Then, the direction is turned without reducing the car's speed. If the drifting technique is done incorrectly, it can cause the car to twist and lose control. Therefore, the speed and angle of the turn must be taken accurately. Three are two main techniques used by drifters to create the movement, namely catching as the clutch and braking with the brakes. In the clutching technique, when the race car approaches the corner, its wheel press the clutch and switch to do gear. Then the race will press the gas the arm for answer 500 RPM. When the clutch is released, there will be strong rotation of the tires because at that time the engine is spinning fast. This sudden massive force makes the real tires spin so fast that they lose traction and the rail of the car will twist. Well, in the braking technique, the drive pulls the handbrake when entering a corner, causing the rear tire to lock and lose traction and create a drift movement. The technique is the only technique that can be used for front-wheel drive FVD car. As for rear-wheel drive RVD car, three or at least a dozen technique. This is why more pro drifters are using rear-wheel drive RVD car to drive.
Who invented racing drifting?
The drive technique was first popularized by Kunimitsu Takahashi in the 1917s. This earned him many champion trophies and was followed by many fans who liked to see thick smoke coming out of the tires when cornering. Keiichi Tsuchiya, nicknamed the Drift King, is the trick by this technique created by Takashi. Tsuchiya began training on mountain roads in Japan. He quickly earned a good reputation in the racing world. In 1919 AD, Tsuchiya finally made a drifting match called the One Grand Prix. From here, drift competition developed to other countries, including Indonesia. Starting from the Aries, the champion Iran, Watrip GP British Drift Champion England, What Drift Series China, Formula Drift Asia Showcase Asia, and the Drift Series New Zealand, Australian Drifting Grand Prix Australian, and the Greek Drift Champion Games.
Are you interested in the world of racing drifting?
Yes, because I have loved watching film about racing since I was little, and I really want my dream to be achieved and I can win international champion.